Our next guest says the small and mid caps will continue to lead for the rest of the year and into 2025. It's Ryan Detrick, Chief Market Strategist at the Carson Group. And Ryan, I play this up so people know you're not just a small caps. Unless I'm mistaken, you don't just, this is a change of call in some ways. What do you think?
Well, that's right, Kelly. Thanks for having me. And nice job pronouncing the previous guest's last name. That was a mouthful there.
I'm not good at French.
My last name's a little, mine's a little easier. But no, I mean, we manage a lot of money at the Carson Group. We've liked small caps, for a while now. So it's not like we just are always bullish small caps. I'll be very clear. I love what Mike just said. Just got to add to that. I took a look. I mean, yes, looking at 5 days in a row up 1%. I found Kelly since 1979, 11 times. The Russell 2 was up at least 1% every day, 4 days in a row. 1 year later, higher 11 out of 13 times with a 25% average return. Believe me, lots of stuff we can talk about here, but what we've just seen, we think, is kind of that kickoff to what everyone's been coming on your network, including myself, saying more rotation into small and mid. We think small and mid caps are going to lead the second half of this year, and this is the start of it. Do
they have the earnings power to justify that kind of leadership?
Yeah, we think they do. I mean, you look at earnings this year, sure, the 600, the S&P 600, like 5%. But you look at next year, it's like 17, 18%, growing more than large caps. Now, listen, those are estimates. We all know estimates, but we're optimistic this economy is going to avoid a recession. Look at today's, the control group on that retail sales number. I mean, the consumer's going nowhere. Consumer's still pretty solid. So we do think those earnings are justifying it. One more comment. You look at valuations, small caps are as cheap as they've been relative to large since 1999. That kicked off a 13-year period of outperformance of small cap. Not calling for something like that, but we think small cap outperformance is here and it's going to stay.
Was it 13 years of outperformance they had in the aftermath of the dot-com crash?
It was. And people remember 2000, 2001, 2002. Not a good time for investors. But small caps outperformed significantly. Were they still down? Yes, they were still down. But significant outperformance. So again, and then it lasted a lot longer. But that period in that bear market, small caps can't outperform in a bear market. We're not calling for a bear market. I want to be clear. But last time it was that cheap, small caps did really well.
Well, I guess I would almost flip the question on you and say, if you assume bear market or a certain kinds of, a bubble implosion event, it would seem obvious that maybe not obvious, small caps would outperform. Can they outperform if that doesn't happen? If things just continue along? Obviously, they need kind of broad economic and earnings growth in order to keep doing well. But what exactly are the conditions under which they need to see in order to kind of meet the call that you expect?
Right. One thing we've said all year, we've seen two things we're looking for: inflation getting better and the market to realize it. Clearly, I think we're there after last week's inflation data. And then the economy just hanging in there, coming in, without a recession. Those two tailwinds can be there with the fact that things are historically cheap, with the fact, again, that the Fed, we were always the camp the Fed was going to cut. 2 months ago, nobody said the Fed was going to cut. We thought inflation would come back. It's happening, Kelly. So inflation back, a dovish Fed. They're cheap. They're underloved. They're underappreciated. I mean, 2 weeks ago, last thing here. 2 weeks ago, people were outright saying, why would anybody want to ever own small caps? And it made sense. They underperformed so long. That was the reason you want to own them, because nobody wanted to. That is a peak in pessimism. And now we see what happens with this unwind the last 5 days. One more thing. We released our mid-year outlook exactly a week ago at Carson Group. We said we like small caps. Russell 2 has been up 1% every day since then. So I guess people read it. So thank you.
Hopefully they didn't just pull forward all of the outperformance. Ryan,
yeah, I know. Yeah.
Appreciate your time. We'll check back in, see how this goes. And if it's the beginning of significant stretch of outperformance here, a long time coming. Ryan Detrick from the Carson Group.